Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Waco Street, Tulsa Avenue with Leon and Lata with George. Let's go.
Big rain before. Take a look, Shara, already fixed.
Very early.
Your friend? Coffee also, it's for you good. Have coffee. Singapore style? So dark.
I was in Singapore, the same
In China the same. Georgi is not Singapore style. It's from China only. But good, yeah. Oh, good looking. Small but comfortable, yeah.
Shower.
Yeah, hot water available
Yeah, hot water.
with hot water.
Toilet.
Toilet. Ага. Aircon. Two bottle water. Ага. Wi-Fi available?
Yeah, there's Wi-Fi service.
Also have Wi-Fi.
There, the Wi-Fi. There's the Wi-Fi.
Okay,
That's
okay, okay.
This is
Yes, I want to see. Wi-Fi. Some of my subscribers asking, available 2-person stay in one room?
yeah.
Available.
For two
So guest
person.
friendly. So not problem, yes?
Guest is until can stay 5 minutes only.
Ага. Guest can stay 5 minutes. For example, if someone stay 1 hour, for example,
You
need to write in the lobby or not allowed or need pay additional.
you have to pay for additional.
Additional pay.
Yeah, 600.
600 additional pay. I see also short time stay. If short time stay also need to pay for one person and another person. How much for?
The room is good for 2 person already, but if you add additional if you're 3 person in the room,
3 persons I think
you
no
have to pay for the extra person.
extra,
if
but 2 available.
2 is okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, room is good, small. For short stay, I think it's okay if only we need to
Yeah.
stay.
We also have here a long stay.
Long
Almost
stay.
2 years.
2 years stay
Yeah,
here.
stay here.
How much is
American.
monthly payment?
Monthly payment, it's up to the
Up to you.
month. You have to ask him
Okay, so
for
he
the
need
discount.
have discount also. Can you show to us a bigger room?
Oh, all same.
All the same,
All same size.
all same size, and some of people stay long time.
Yeah.
Light.
Yes.
This light. Okay, okay. Mirror. Switch on.
This one.
Here.
Yeah.
What is it? Safe box.
Safety box.
Safety box. Oh, very close from the TV. TV have international channel maybe also
Yes, we
have.
CNN.
How much this room for one night?
For one night, it's 1,600.
1,600
Yeah.
one night.
Wow.
If additional person need to pay 600 more.
If you're 3 person in the room.
If two
Yeah,
person not
it's
need
no
to pay.
problem.
Not
Yeah.
problem 2 person. Okay, okay. Every day clean the room, every
Yeah,
day
it's
change.
free, every day
It's free, all including.
Free clean.
Okay. Okay, thank you for information. All the room same.
Yeah, all
Small.
the same, but the lights different.
Different lights only.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go, Georgi. Thank you very much for information. Very close from walking street. You can see here so many people go to walking street. Very nice. I like this hotel. For short stay.
Yeah.
You say 2 years?
Yeah.
Someone to get.
American guy.
It's good.
He stay already 2 years.
Coffee machine need to pay or
It's free.
free for free.
Yeah, it's free.
Georgi, you need to change your hotel to this hotel. Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome.
Nice hotel. Okay. What do you think about this? Can you stay here 2 years, Georgi?
No.
No.
Very small room. When I was in Singapore, it's the same style, small room.
Same.
Only 2 or 3 nights, okay.
Okay.
But, if I want to stay more.
Georgi, take a look. Take a look, already they fixed.
Okay.
So already good, can walk.